Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up price alerts on Momondo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Momondo account, which of course I've done right here. Now how do you create an account on Momondo? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type momondo.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Momondo. Once again, to the website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign in button. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Momondo. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's steps, which is how to set up price alerts on Momondo. So from here, the left corner of your screen, either you're just searching for flights or hotels or car rentals, just select any of them. I'm just going to choose flights. So enter the searches here, enter like your destination, where you're going from and to, and your date. After doing that, go ahead and click on the search button. And it's going to take you to this window. So over here, head over to the left corner of your screen and also the right corner of your screen. So this left corner of your screen, you're going to find this track prices option right here. You can even use here track prices to monitor prices and receive email updates when they change. So if you want to track prices, your prices are likely to fall within 7 days. Go ahead and check that. That's turn this on or toggle it on. And once you toggle that on, you see this. Get notified when prices go down, daily price changes in your inbox, or with price alerts. Now click on create a price alert. That's it. You have this banner that says tracking has begun. We'll let you know how prices change. All right, so that's pretty much it. You can even go all the way back to your home page to see that your price alert has been added. So that's pretty much how you can add that successfully. That's how you can add your price alert or set the price alert in Momondo. Now I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search. By the way, how do you know that it has been set? This is your recent search, right? And you can see that this notification bell has changed to white. But these are my previous searches, and you can see the notification bells are just there. So this has been changed, set to white, meaning the price alert has been set up. So if you want to, let's say if you do not toggle that on when you are searching in the search window right there, if you didn't toggle it on like we did, after searching, you can come back to this page and see your recent search and just click on the notification bell. Once you click on the notification bell, you see that your price alert will be set. If you click on that out and it's empty, you see that it will go or it will go off. So if you also want to put this off, you can do that. And if you want to put it on, that's it. So I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.